This is the Germination kit from AC Infinity. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, like with all AC Infinity product, this thing is packaged incredibly well. Not only do they ship it box within a box with a whole bunch of bubble wrap, but then they've also got it pretty secure in the box here. I definitely gonna have to use both hands to take it out. So let me do that and come back. All right, so again, very well packaged. This was in a giant Ziploc bag, and then so we've got the instruction booklet. This is cool because it's got these expandable sides, so you can grow taller clones in it. Leave them in for a minute. The ends are vented, it looks like. And it's got a germ tray for plugs. These would be perfect rapid rooter plug fits. And then got the base branded. They do a great job on their branding. It's actually a really nice heavy duty tray. Any of you guys that have ever used any clone trays know how flimsy these things usually are. But good tray, and this one is good for, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 40. You can put we got 40 plugs in here, so that's plenty. Let's see. Now we got our lighting right down here. Hats off for packaging, guys. I'm a real big fan. So we've got it's like probably a timer. I'm gonna have to actually read the instructions here. But we've got our LED lights, and I believe these things will sit. All right, so yeah, these lights will sit right on top here. These are recessed dimples that'll accept the LEDs. Pretty sweet. Yeah, they're not going to rock around. I like this. This is a really neat setup. So let me get to building it. All right, so very neat design. Easy to store this way, and very positive. I like it. All right, so pretty dang easy. Like a glove. Nice and solid. Be able to have some pretty tall clones in here. I mean, probably good, 8-9 inches. So good system. Like the design. Real heavy duty. Can't wait to put her to use with you. All right, so let's get the lighting hooked up. And just connecting. It's got a real positive connector here. Oh yeah, that's not going to go anywhere. And these are placed. One more down. Oh, that's wonderful. The way that these lights are, with the dome on them, they securely fit right into the channel here. They're not going to go anywhere. They're there. So yeah, really love this stuff. This is really well engineered.